CopySmith iMarketing Pricing explained what you get for your money. CopySmith is an AI-powered marketing and content platform, but most people get this wrong. They assume it's only for generating ad copy. In reality, CopySmith combines AI writing, content optimization, and marketing workflows to help teams produce copy that converts across blogs, social media, and ads. CopySmith offers 3 main pricing tiers. The starter plan starts at per month and includes 40 credits for AI-generated content, basic templates, and essential integrations. This is ideal for freelancers or small teams testing AI-powered marketing tools. Professional plan costs per month and includes unlimited AI content, access to premium templates, collaboration tools, and advanced integrations. Growing teams often rely on this plan to scale content creation and maintain consistent quality. The enterprise plan is custom priced and adds bulk content generation, dedicated support, team management features, and custom workflows. Agencies and larger businesses choose this plan to manage high-volume campaigns and multiple clients effectively. The surprising truth is that CopySmith can generate optimized copy for ads, emails, blogs, and social media in seconds, free marketers from repetitive writing tasks and allowing them to focus on strategy and creativity. In conclusion, CopySmith pricing scales with content volume, features, and collaboration needs. Understanding your marketing goals ensures you select the plan that offers the best value. If your goal is to produce high-quality marketing content quickly and efficiently, CopySmith isn't just an AI writing tool, it's a full AI marketing platform designed to save time and improve campaign performance.